Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. This is the weekend edition. This is good through May 5th, 2016, and we're going to hit the markets running. The week was ended on a really positive, bullish note. If you'll notice here, coming across that yet NASDAQ was up 1.6, Russell's was up almost up 2%. Just a real good run. We have financials up, US dollar down, crude oil slightly higher, silver up by 1.8%, gold up not as much but up, VIX dropping by 10.7%, Bitcoin now hovering around $5,700. Bitcoin's up, and I own Bitcoin. Liking it. Okay, I'm gonna do this fast. Let's just get after it. The spider, I put a sell on it here on May 1st, but we bounced back up. I'm going to go ahead and put a buy on that right now. If I go to the diamonds, I put a sell on it, but that's going to get a buy again. NASDAQ, I have a sell on it. The only reason I don't want to put a buy on this one is because we are at resistance. Oh, peer pressure with the other ones. I'm going to go ahead and put a buy on it. Russell's, I got a buy on it. Wow, look at this run. That's so solid. I love it. Financials broke a major trend line. Check this out. We had a sell on it, came down, and now it broke above it again. So I'm liking it. So that gets a buy. US dollar, had a buy on it. Oh, it took a nosedive Friday. Now it gets a sell. Crude oil, I have a sell on it. I'm good with that sell. Silver, I have a sell on it, and it popped up. It's going to get a buy. It's going to get a buy. Chances are gold's going to get a buy. And gold, oh, doesn't look as good, but gold's getting a buy. And VIX, got a buy on it, but now it's going to get a sell because it dropped right back down. And Bitcoin, I have a buy on it, and I put my stop loss in place just in case it starts to drop, because we do have a rising wedge here. So I'm preserving profits here. So if it starts to drop, I want to go ahead and take profits and then re-enter off of another area that I would put a buy signal. So I'm not putting a sell on it yet just because I'm not ready to do so. But I got my stop losses in place for that. Hey, for extra bonus points for me, I'll do the Dow 30. Let's go to the Dow 30. Look at Apple. Apple got a buy on it. It's in an upward trend. It's looking good. As far as I'm concerned, it handled earnings well, and as long as it stays in this trend, it all is well. AXP is on fire. American Express is up and away. I'm good with my buy on that one. BA, Boeing, I have a sell on it, and it's just choppy. Why did I put a... It's funny, I don't have a buy here. Where is it? Did I just ignore you, Boeing? My bad. Caterpillar. Let's go there. Got a sell on it. But man, I'm thinking about putting a buy on this right now. Let's go there. Caterpillar, Cisco. Got a sell on it, but I'm going to put a buy on that hammer on the rising moving averages. CVX. Got a sell. I think it's a sell. Yep. A sell, dropping. I'm good with that. Disney, I should have a sell on that. Oh, I do. I got a sell on that. It's dropping. I'll stay with my sell. DuPont, I have a sell on it. Wow, what a bloodbath that's been in. GE, got a buy on it. And GE's looking solid. Goldman Sachs, I got a sell on it. But I'm going to put a buy on that. Home Depot, I got a sell on it. I'll stay with my sell. IBM, have a sell on it. I'll stay with my sell on IBM. INTC, Intel gets a buy. Johnson & Johnson is a buy, and I'll stay with it. JP Morgan is a buy, and I'll stay with it, but it's getting a little toppy. Coca-Cola, I got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy. McDonald's, I put a sell on it, but it blew up on me. So now it's a buy. A lot of these sells I had a couple days ago turned out to be buys. Friday was a big day. 3M is a sell. I'm good with that sell. Holy smokes. Merck, I got a buy on it, and I'm good with that, but I'm looking to sell. I mean, I'm half tempted to put a sell on that right now and just take profits. I'll stay. Microsoft, have a sell on it, but it is popping back up. Let's go ahead and put a buy on that. Nike, I got a sell on it. I'm good with that. PFE, I got a buy on it, and I'm good with that. PG, I got a buy on it, and not happy with that one. Travelers, I got a buy on it. Really happy with that. Look for a buy of 144.4 on a breakout. Me doing calls like that is what we do on our Stock Picks V newsletter, so we'll do that. I have a buy on this. I'll stay with the buy, but it's just I really wanted to have a sell on this right here. Boom. But it stayed above this moving average, and now last couple trading days we've had hammers, so I'm just good with that. UTX, United Technologies, I should have a sell. Yes, I have a sell on it, but do I want to put a buy on this? Let's go ahead and put a buy on it. Visa, I have a sell on it, and I'll stay with my sell. Verizon, I have a buy on it, and I'm just not liking it. I'll stay with my buy. And Walgreens, I have a sell on it, and I'm good with the sell. It's just pitiful. Walmart, I have a buy on it, or do I? Yes, I have a buy on it. It's building a big bullish pennant, man. This could get bullish. And ExxonMobil, I have a sell on it. I'm good, man. Finally, crude oil's just crashing. You know what? That was so fast, and I'm only 7 minutes in. Let's go ahead and do the tech stocks. If you enjoy me doing all the stocks, let me know in the comments. Let me know down there. Say, man, I dig the stocks. But really important question is I went way fast. I want you to tell me, is the speed okay? Do I need to slow it down? Or can I go faster? Let me know in the comments down below. Down below. Which tech stocks? Go there. Get up here. Apple, we already did that one. AMD, I have a buy on it. I'll stay with that. Amazon, wow, man, that thing has just been up. This 20-day moving average is the blue one, and it's just looking really good. Baba is doing really well here. Baidu, I have a sell on it. I'm good with that. Booking, which is Priceline, I got a sell on it. I'm good with that. Cisco, where he looked at. Catfish, oh man, has fallen out of bed. eBay, got a buy on it. No, I have a sell on it, but it needs to be a buy. I'm going to put a buy on eBay. Facebook is a high base. Look for that to break out higher, guys. Watch for a breakout over 200 bones. And Google, earnings, how to put a sell on it, but it's bouncing. Let's go ahead and put a buy on that. Google with an L. Let's go ahead. Google with an L. Let's go ahead and put a buy on that one. GoPro gets a buy. Microsoft. I love when my video time comes, I'm putting on a lot of arrows because I want you to see them in real time. So you're seeing them. Microsoft already has an arrow because we already did that one. MU, I have a buy on it. I'll stay with that. Netflix, I have a buy on it. It's going higher. It's looking pretty well. NVIDIA, I have a sell on it. I'm good with the sell. Oracle, I have a buy on it. But you know what? I'm taking profits. We're going to sell that. No, there's no profit. Yeah, there's a little bit of profit. Not much. PayPal, I put a sell on it. Oh, but that sell is now a buy again. Shopify is on fire. Look at this. This is doing really, really well. Snap, I have this. It's going up. Nice. Tesla gets a buy. It's a buy. I'm not taking the time to look at weeklies, but you always have to look at the weeklies. You always look at the monthlies. And I have a buy on Twitter and it's going higher, but we do have resistance coming up. All right, that's it. I did all of those stocks in about 10 minutes. Let me know if you like the speed or not. I encourage you to subscribe. Do that. If you subscribe, it'd be like right down there, the click me button. Click that. Definitely subscribe. If you look here, make sure that you know about Grok Trade. I'm going to throw something at you, okay? You're either in our ecosystem or you're outside our ecosystem. In other words, if you have not gone through our mentorship, you don't know. You don't know what you don't know. You're outside the ecosystem. You're completely outside of our ecosystem. You need to be in the ecosystem to develop, to reach your full potential as a trader. All right, but that's it. Make sure you know about Grok Trade. Go to Grok Trade and check out the mentorship program. Get inside our ecosystem. It will enrich you to levels you just don't understand yet. At least talk with us about it. Let's at least have dialogue so you have an understanding of what I'm talking about. Personally, for me, when I started trading, some of you know this, some of you don't, but I blew through 2 accounts. It was rough. Blew through 2 accounts. And I said, man, I'm going to either have to get mentored or I'm going to stop. And anyway, got mentored. And that was a game changer for me personally. That's the only reason we offer it here in our education company. Anyway, that's it. So I'm leaving. We have morel mushrooms here and where I live, morel mushrooms. And they're edible and they're expensive. I have a buddy that has them. They're popping up all over his yard. And he also has chickens, so he's got eggs. So I'm getting ready to go to his place to buy some morel mushrooms off of him and buy some fresh farm eggs. And he's cooking like brisket or something. So he's going to throw in some barbecue brisket. Anyway, his girls are trying to make money, which I applaud that. Anytime you have kids and you can train them to look for opportunities, to sell things, to make money, that's priceless. Priceless. So I teach my girls how to, money is very important. My girls understand, I have 2 girls, they fully understand the value of money, how to make money, how to save it, how to give money, and just how to put money at work for us. It's just like what we do. We are for them, and it's just like us. We look at every dollar. Every dollar is an employee. Our employees have to be making us money, not losing us money. So we have to invest it wisely. There's no more important way to invest your money than in yourself first. Don't invest it in the markets. For you guys who are been trading a year or less, don't invest your money in the markets, not yet. You haven't earned your right to trade in the live markets. You haven't done so because you haven't invested in yourself yet. Invest in yourself first. Invest in this. Invest in your education so your skill set can be guided like it's supposed to be in trading. Can't stress that enough. So if you made it to the end, let me know. Made it. I love you guys. We'll catch up with you later. We'll see you. Bye. All right, let's get out of here. Oh, I need to kill this. Sorry. Guys, last couple weeks, you've lost probably 8 to 10 times more in your portfolio than what an education from us would have cost you. Invest in yourself. There's no greater expense than being ignorant and what market tuition will cost you. Do yourself a favor, look us up for mentoring. It's 3 days. We have one coming up. Go to Grok Trade. There's top of Grok Trade. I'm not even going to show you the website. Go to groktrade.com. At the top, there's a button there for hedging. You can take the hedging course. That to help you during this time, so you don't get your head handed to you. But if you want to make money in this volatility, if you're just don't want your head handed to you, then mentoring. I'm not here peddling it to you, but what just irks me to no end is individuals who think that autodidacticism, that's trying to learn something themselves, is the smart way to go. And they think that learning to trade is something that you can get yourself. I'm telling you, I thought I blew through 2 accounts until one day I woke up and thought, I can't do it myself. Don't let that be you. Don't let your money dry up. Don't lose money in the markets. Learn to be savvy. Kill it out there. Be a shark. Don't be bait fish. Be the person out there that's the smart one, that has a system in place. Trading is significant. It can be the best thing that's ever happened to you and your family. Or it could be one of the heartaches, one of the broken dreams of your tomorrow. But I'll pose this one question to you. If you go through our trading mentorship, if you're like, man, I'm in, I don't care what it costs because I'd rather put my money invested into education than lose it in the markets. If that is you, ask yourself, after you go, we give you all the tips, all the tricks, we give you everything. We pull out the stops for you and give you everything to reach your full potential in trading. We give it all to you. From this date, 1 year from now, where will you be? How will your life, how will it have changed? That question will tell you everything you need to know. GrokTrade.com. Check us out. Catch you guys later. We'll see you.